Have you ever been in a relationship and the person tells you, I'm not doing it again? And you start crying, begging, rolling, fainting, pleading. And you notice that the person is getting more irritated. And in some cases, the person might kick you out, push you out of the house, or his house, or her house. Now, this is what you should know. When someone says, I don't want to do it again, that begging and crying and fainting and rolling will only make things worse. That's it, it will only get that person irritated, because this is what you should know. That person is feeling irritated because his or her her personal boundaries, you are crossing it. Like the person said, go, I don't want. You are pushing and forcing that. You are crossing that person's boundary. That means you don't have respect for yourself, and you feel that person doesn't also have the ability to decide for himself or herself. You are crossing boundaries, and it's really, really annoying. That's why you see the person, he gets irritated. Secondly, you will look very desperate, and there's one thing about desperation is not attractive at all. When you're desperate and you're begging, you're fainting, you're crying, it makes you look desperate, and the person is like, what is this? So, like, I have been all along, I've been dating someone that is so desperate. That is what it appears like. And secondly, there's something you should know about the pressure you put on that person when you are begging and giving reasons why you must date me, you are pressurizing that person. No one wants to be pressurized. So, and so many, the accumulation of all these things gets the person triggered, and the person gets so irritated, like everything is irritating. That's why you have to comport yourself. There are ways you can actually clear up the air. You can say, oh, I understand that you no longer want, but deep down I still want us to be together. It's okay, it's fine. If you don't want, I take my leave. Very simple. Not making the person more angry with all the old drama and everything. It doesn't help, right?